everyone! Happy Tuesday! So today is the 20th of May and bukas na ang aking talagang birthday. May 21st talaga yung birthday ko. So tomorrow I'm gonna be 39 years old. Officially 39 years old. So tumatanda na talaga, but that's okay. Kung nafe-feel ko ba na tumatanda na ako, parang hindi pa naman masyado. Okay lang, ganun talaga ang buhay. Lahat tayo ay darating sa ganyang pace or sa ganyang edad, and maging grateful tayo na umabot tayo sa ganung age. What are you doing? Why did you do it like that? So, check up. 31 week check up ko ngayon sa aking OBGYN. Pero magta 32 weeks na ako sa Friday. Hindi ko pa rin nagagawa yung aking glucose test kasi supposedly dapat ngayong umaga, kaya lang si Mister sabi niya magsusulat siya. And pwede pa naman siya hanggang Monday. So sa Monday na lang pagka gagawin yung stress. Ay, I should have called the Mackenzie office.
You can do that while we're driving and you're not doing anything for 40 minutes.
You call them, you talk to them. So yun, tatawagan ko pala yung siya yung sa mga high risk pregnancy. High risk, considered ako as high risk kasi nga because of my age. And ayun, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin nila. Most probably stress test yun. And nung kinausap pala ni Mister yung nag-schedule ng C-section, parang protocol daw ng ospital na hindi sila nag-schedule ng operation or C-section pagka less than 39 weeks. Pero medyo nagwo-worry talaga ako kasi nga si Zayra, nung pinanganak ko to sa Philippines, 38 weeks siya. Hindi ko nga sure kung 37 pa or 38 weeks. Parang 38 weeks kasi ayaw din ng doktor ko na gawing 37 weeks. Pero ako talaga yung pinapili nila ng date. Nung nandun kami sa Philippines. They are the one who asked, they made me decide what date would I want Zayra to.
Dead air.
My English is
dead air.
Nahihirapan ako mag-isip. Sobrang ako ngayon, lutang. Nakapagod kasi kahapon maglakad. No, the doctor, my OBGYN in the Philippines, they made me decide what date would I want Zayra to be born. That's why I chose the 21st of April so that it would be a month before my birthday. Supposedly, I want our second baby to be born the 15th of July, so that's 1 month before your birthday too, but it's gonna be it's the 14th, so if they're not gonna move it, we're just gonna say just make it the 15th.
I don't think they're gonna do that either.
Really? What did they tell you when you talked to them last night? About they couldn't schedule something that's less than
any earlier because they don't do less than 39 weeks. And then the 11th, I guess, was already busy because they already had one scheduled. And they're like, but if she goes into labor, we'll do it. I was like, oh, thanks.
Yun kasi,
how nice of you.
yung kasi yung pinag-worry namin dahil syempre si Mister, yung trabaho niya lagi siyang wala. Malayo siya. So, sinong mag-asikaso sa akin? Paano kung wala din yung aking mga biyanan dito? Busy din kasi sila lagi. So, paano na? Tapos meron pa akong baby. So, tatry ko rin kausapin yung OBGYN na mag-check up sa akin ngayon. Pero, I don't think papayag sila. So, kung gagawin nila siguro yung stress test, kaya doon nila malalaman kung at risk ba ako na mag-go into labor earlier than 39 weeks. So, malalaman natin. Pero nagwo-worry talaga ako. So, ayan guys, tapos na ang aking check-up. And okay naman siya. Kaso, ang laki yata nung dinagdag ng aking weight. Pero parang hindi rin naman. 2 pounds lang. Or 3 pounds. For 2 weeks. Parang medyo malaki yun. Ano na ako? 112 pounds. So, that's 50.9 kilograms. For 31 weeks. Pero okay naman daw yung weight ko, sabi ng aking OBGYN. And yung blood pressure ko is okay din. Medyo tumaas lang siya. 112/69, which is okay pa din. And then about naman sa C-section delivery date ko, wag daw mag-alala. But love, she also said that it's better for you to, because the FMLA will start on the date of my C-section. So you need to file a leave 1 week. 1 week before the official date of my C-section. That's what they are advising me to
File
do.
1 week before the date.
Yeah, of the official C-section.
I mean, I should stop working 1 week before your date?
Yeah, you need to use your personal leave, your PTO.
Don't get it.
So, because we don't know, there is no assurance when would I really go into labor. So you need to be home.
That's what they said?
That's what she's advising you to do. And anyway, yung doktor ko, nagulat ako. Ang bata pa pala niya, wala pa siyang 30 years old. Paano siya naging doktor at that young age? Pero super nice yun. Yun yung pinaka-favorite ko na OBGYN na nag-check sa akin. And I was talking to my husband a while ago. She also said that I don't look like my age. That's what she said. I don't look like 39. Well, I'm gonna be 39 tomorrow. 39 years old. And she said that my skin is so nice for a pregnant lady and for a 39-year-old woman. I just told her, maybe it's an Asian thing. And then we talked about Korean skincare. Hi. Do you think really Korean skincare is good? You should try Korean skincare. So you're gonna have glass skin. I think your skin will be very nice. Because right now your skin is already good without using any skincare products. Pag lalaki, ganun talaga. Wala
I want to
silang
use those
pera.
pale pills and become more pale.
What pill?
The pale pills.
What's that?
What is it?
Glutathione?
Yeah.
It's not a pill. You take it. Yeah, you take it.
It's a pill.
Yeah. But it's not called a pale pill. It's glutathione. It's good for your liver. The side effect is that your skin will just gonna be, it's not really whiter. It's gonna make it glowing and younger.
Maybe I should do that.
No, you do that when I'm allowed to do it. So we're gonna share. Now you should just take what's that? The other one that I was, collagen.
Do you still have that the hundreds?
Yeah.
I'm afraid I gave $100 to the mango lady on
Really?
George Washington.
No, I just gave you like
Do you have
$5.
two?
Yeah, I have $200 there. The cash one. So ayun, pupunta kami ngayon sa restaurant. Sabi ni Mr. ano daw ba yung mas gusto ko, kung mag-fast food na lang kami, tapos magka-car wash siya, tapos kukuha kami ng cake, or punta na lang kami sa
Are you
restaurant.
telling them that? That's so freaking weird.
Why? We're going to share it to them. What's so weird about
My
it?
husband was thinking that maybe we should just get a car wash instead of my birthday dinner. That's totally
No,
normal.
you said a while ago that it's better if we're just gonna go to the Thai restaurant and then just try to get a cake on, what shop is that?
The Oriental store.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna get my sayote. Hopefully they have it. So ayun, meron pa rin akong birthday celebration.
I'm all done.
Yeah, that's what she does all the time. Whenever I have to take a video of her, she would stop doing cute stuff. Cute things.
She's probably sick of being on camera.
She's not really in the camera all the time. It's just me and you. Baby, what you doing? Ang kalat sa likod ng minivan.
Where?
Huh?
Where? What?
I said there's a lot of mess. It's because of
Just
you.
toys.
And then you broke Zeta's chair.
I did not. It's fine.
Really? It looks
Just
like it's broken.
smushed it a little bit.
Yeah, so you broke it.
It's not broken.
Because why do you even sit there, love? You're too big to be
I
sitting.
need like a chair like that for back there.
You should get one.
So I don't have to put up the whole big chair and take up all that space. That little chair doesn't take up a lot of space.
Sinasabi ko kay Mister, parang hindi ko yata talaga kaya yung nagma-merge pag mag-aral na ako mag-drive. Sabi niya
Maybe
ko,
we could get in there from that way.
ha? Yeah, I guess. Is it this way?
I don't know. That could go anywhere. But yeah, it probably was there. I don't know.
I know.
It's a confusing thing.
But we're almost there, right?
Yes.
So, malapit na kami dito sa Thai restaurant. So, ayun na nga, sinasabi ko sa kanya, parang hindi ko yata kaya yung nagme-merge. Sabi niya, kung hindi mo kaya yun, wag ka na lang mag-drive. Dapat alam mo lahat kung paano yung gagawin. I think this is the one. Isn't it?
There's the
This is the one. That's the school of St. James. Di Zeta kumakanta. So, ito na nga guys, closed sila. Closed yung Thai restaurant. And then dito, merong Chinese restaurant. Yan, hindi ko alam kung nakikita ninyo. Closed din sila ng Tuesday. Di ba normally Monday nagko-close? Sabi ni Mr. yung mga American restaurant daw Monday closed. Tapos itong mga Asian restaurants, Tuesday. Sayang. Pero nakakuha ko dun sa open yung Asian store. Nakakuha ko ng sayote. At ano ba yung kinuha ko? Ampalaya. Miss ko ng ampalaya. Pero hindi ako magluto ng ampalaya. Saka itong bread na to. Gustong gusto to ni Mr. What kind of bread is this?
There's supposedly another Asian restaurant over there.
Do you think that's open? Remember when we went there?
That's not bread, that's birthday cake.
It's my birthday cake.
Birthday cake.
Ito na ang birthday cake ko.
You know, it's a lot nicer than most birthday cake.
$2.69.
Well, we might end up going to get your cake because there's no restaurant. So.
How about the restaurant close to, ano, there's one restaurant there.
There's one we tried to go there when we got here, but it was all shut down. And
Maybe it's open. You can try ahead.
my mother was saying that it's open, but I don't see it on the map.
Let's just
Wait,
try.
New Ocean Palace Restaurant. Says it's open.
Let's go there.
I might end up getting sushi.
Is that Chinese or Japanese?
It's Asian.
Everything Asian? Yes. So, ayan. Check natin ito kung open. But it's Tuesday. So, ito na nga guys. Itong Asian Cuisine Sushi Bar. Open siya kaso wala namang ano, dine-in. Take-out lang. So, bumili kami ng cake. Buti na lang may katapat siyang bake shop dito.
On their Google, there's pictures of people eating inside of there. I don't
Yeah, it
see what
says
the problem is.
here also, dine-in, take-out. But, nakalagay dun sa pinakang door nila na ano lang, take-out. Ewan ko ba? Ba't ganyan?
Let me see the newest reviews.
Zeta's counting. Say hi, everyone.
How do I find the reviews? So by newest.
Zeta's so silly. So, nakauwi na kami guys. Di na kami nagpunta ng restaurant kasi yung mga gusto naming puntahan, ano naman, closed or hindi sila nag-accept ng, anong tawag dyan? Ng dine-in. So, ito yung cake na binili namin. What's the flavor of this cake, love?
Chocolate.
No, what's the name of the cake?
Chocolate truffle bomb, I think.
Ayun, chocolate truffle bomb. Mukha namang masarap siya. How much is this?
$30.
$30. Medyo mahal siya.
Oh no, baby.
Ito si Zeta. Siyempre nagkakalat na naman. Silly Zeta. Trying to be silly all the time. What you doing, baby?
Oh my. Wow.
Can you kiss Mama?
Wet down.
Huh?
Sit your pet.
What did you say?
Sit your pet here.
Whatever. Halika na, baby. Let's eat cake. Sierra, come on. Let's eat cake. You don't want to? You're just gonna play?
Baby, I'm gonna
Come on, eat cake. Eat cake.
eat cake. Cake. Baby, next cake.
Cake. You want cake? You don't have candle?
See the candle?
Where? This one.
I feel like we could have done this tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow is my birthday, not today.
Wow. Let's get it on.
Because you're gonna be going back to work tomorrow. Are you gonna eat cake, baby?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you, dear Mama. And many more.
Baby, let's blow this. She's scared. Should be.
Oh, good. Did you make a wish?
No.
Why not?
I don't have any more wish. Happy, happy, happy. Are you a happy baby?
You got a poo poo? Poo poo poo?